Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashmi Kaur, and if you're new here, I make lifestyle and beauty content. So let's get started. Today's video is a random Saturday in my life. I am just doing a lot of things today. I'm shooting. I have a few hauls to show to you guys. So I thought, why not? Let's record the entire day. So yeah, let's begin. Starting in the morning, I do a few things which I have already shown, I guess. And then now I'll be cleaning the kitchen and making some tea. Then I'll do my thoda bahut yoga is what I do. So I'll do that. And then let's have the day started. Yeah, let's go. After cleaning, I made some tea for my mom with some special masala. I am all ready for my gym no yoga and I'll be very honest with you कि मैं रोज़ ऐसे नहीं करती हूँ. मैंने जो कपड़े पहन रखे थे मैं उसी में ही करती हूँ मेरा योगा. But I thought I'm vlogging today, so why not let's wear something nice? Why not? Let's do it. See, this is the entire outfit. Honestly, I just do 5 to 6 asanas every day और वही मैं करूँगी. Starting with Surya Namaskar, I'll be doing some breathing exercises. And yeah, that is much about it. Got this from Decathlon and this from Bliss Club. Very, very comfortable. This is also very comfortable. So let's get started. Recently, I have been feeling a little stressed out with everything that's happening around, and these few asanas have made me feel so much better. I also do meditation right after all the asanas, and that has made me feel better, and this is for my gut health specially. I took the shower, and right after it, I am here to show you my morning routine. I use very less products. I've kept it very simple. Starting with a moisturizer, I apply it all over my face, and then I apply some sunscreen. I'm using this water-based sunscreen and I love it. It gives me that subtle glow as well as proper hydration. And then I end the routine with a lip balm. I'm using the Hyphen lip balm. I love this lip balm. It gives such a good moisturization to your lips. You can look at it, it's so good. And yeah, that's it for my routine. And right after my routine, I had some dry fruit milkshake. Not the best, but yeah, I have to drink it. I thought I'll do some planning and some reel ideas and video ideas set for the week, whatever I can shoot. For the planning part specifically, I just jot down all the things that I want to work on. Now it's cooking time, so basically my mom is not able to work today due to some reasons, so I was cooking. I was making dosa and chutney. So I was making this red tomato chutney, which was awesome. Then I used the leftover rice, some suji, semolina, and some curd, and also a little bit of water, and I grinded it अच्छे से, and that was my dosa batter. And I also made the very famous tomato chutney. This is how the dosa batter and chutney look like. It was so yum. The chutney was fab, and this is how the dosa looked. Dosa is my comfort food. I can eat dosas any time of the day. Then right after it, we had some mangoes and we watched a typical South Indian movie. My mom also had a few mangoes and she didn't like it that much. But yeah, that's it about the afternoon time. Hi guys, I had my lunch. I had everything. So I thought I'll show you what all PRs have got last 1.5 months. So I'll quickly show it to you all. I won't be showing all of these products because I think कुछ मुझे बहुत पहले मिले हैं. Also, there are a lot of other products also, but मैंने सारे मैं ढूंढ नहीं पा रही थी अभी, तो जितने मुझे मिले मैंने सारे निकाल दिए. If you want me to make a video on how to get PRs or PR के related कुछ भी, then let me know. basically I won't call all of these as PR because they're actually brand collaborations product and they're not actually PR or free gift for me except one or two. उसके अलावा सब कुछ मुझे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स मिले जिनके ऊपर मुझे कंपलसरी वीडियोस बनानी ही थे. So those are like brand collaborations. And yeah, so let me know if you want me to make a video around this topic. I'll be happy to make. जितना भी मैं सीख पाई हूँ अभी तक वो सारा कुछ मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर दूँगी. With the very recent package and my dream brands. So I have a list of dream brands in my mind, not written anywhere, but I want that I should be able to achieve उनके products as well with the work that I'm doing. So yeah, I received Dot & Key products. I was so happy for this. This is the Dot & Key vitamin C sunscreen and the vitamin C moisturizer. I still have to make a video on this. I already love this brand. I've heard a lot about this brand. I tried a lot of samples from Smitten from this brand, so I love it already. I just need to make a video onto this. And the sunscreen, I already have a lot of sunscreens with me, तो मैं अभी इसको नहीं यूज़ करने वाली, but so excited to try these products out. Thank you so much Dot & Key. Next up is Wishcare. Wishcare has become one of my favorite brands, most favorite brands actually, because the team that they have, this so nice people, such nice people. I am with their affiliate and they have sent, this is their first product which they sent me और अभी तक एक ही बार हुआ है हमारे साथ ऐसा. So this is the Wishcare vitamin C sunscreen and I already have the niacinamide which I'm using daily, and the sunscreen is so good. I love the sunscreen, the water based water like finish wala sunscreen. It's so good. Oh my god. And they have sent me another one from this, and this is the vitamin C. Before buying this getting these sunscreens, I was already using Wishcare sunscreen. So yeah, thank you so much Wishcare for sending these out. I love your products, I love your brand. Thank you. Then were these two dry shampoos by the brand Appetite. This is a new brand which is launching in India. It is their dry shampoo. This is their first product and I got a collaboration with them. They sent me these two bottles of the dry shampoo. I thought कि बहुत काम आएगा मुझे अभी summers में. Actually मैंने इसको 2-3 बार use कर भी लिया है, ज़्यादा ही I guess. But it's a very good product. It's a very decent dry shampoo with a decent price and love it so much. And thank you so much Appetite. Then I got this Episoft products. This is the moisturizer plus sunscreen and this is the cleansing lotion. About this brand जिसके मेरे पास 6 products आ चुके हैं, 3 मुझे मिल रहे नहीं हैं, 3 है यहाँ पर. So this is their red wine face cream with SPF 30 Pilgrim. This is the illuminating moisturizer. This is the brightening vitamin C. The Love Beauty and Planet scalp serum. Curry leaves and tea tree wala scalp serum. Proskaya. This is also I think a new brand. I have their niacinamide perfecting serum. This also I used for like a week or so. Then I was already using the plum niacinamide serum, so I thought I'll complete that serum and then I'll start using it. But eventually I stopped using any serum. I'm not using any serum from last 15 days. So I'll just start using this again. I think I'll use this and then I'll start using the vitamin C serum. And this is a face wash. I've used it once. This is also the niacinamide skin perfecting face wash. Gentle cleanser, decent face wash. Not much to talk about it. I just wanted to say something that the brands and all the agencies that are working with small creators, I really feel that that is very special for us because given the situation I've been working, I am in this journey of being a creator from last 1 year. मतलब मैं consistently 1 साल से कर रही हूँ, बाकी मैं करती रहती थी. और ये जर्नी में कुछ मोटिवेशन नहीं है ऑनेस्टली. देर इज़ नो मोटिवेशन एट ऑल. यू हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग ऑन योर ओन. यू हैव टू एडिट ऑन योर ओन. आई एम सो, मेरी इज्जत बढ़ गई है जो क्रिएटर्स हैं उन लोगों के लिए. बट यू हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग ऑन योर ओन गिवन दैट यू नॉट अर्निंग एनीथिंग एट दिस पॉइंट. एंड दीज कोलैबोरेशंस actually give you the motivation that you always wanted. So thank you so much for all the brands sending a lot of love to you guys, because you are collaborating with small creators and giving them the motivation to work harder. So yeah, thank you so much. And that's it about my PR. I have a few more PRs, but abhi agar if you want a full-fledged video on the PR, and I love watching the PR hauls. So if you also love watching that, let me know. मैं ये सारे products भी और भी बहुत सारे products जितने भी मुझे अभी तक मिले हैं in the 1 year का journey, I'll collect all of them and show it to you guys that what all I got in my PR, and discuss how to get PRs and everything related to that. So yeah, that's about it. Then at night also I cooked something. I made Bombay style sandwiches and they were too good, and also some mango custard. Look how beautiful this looks. And then I went for a walk right after my dinner. That is my routine for weekends especially. And then I ended my day with some skincare. I made the Multani Mitti face mask, which I usually use. I mix aloe vera, rose water, and Multani Mitti. And then I apply it on my face and keep it for around 10 to 15 minutes until it's a little dried up. And then I wash my face off using my favorite face wash. And that's it. That's how I ended my day. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.